So a lot of times when we come out, we come to the springs, and we come to these springs because the springs come out of the ground at around 72 degrees every single day. And the manatees need that. So a lot of times the manatees are coming in from the Gulf where it's really cold, and they don't have a lot of body fat. They come in, they sit on these springs, and they stay nice and warm. And when you get to a spring, you may see these white lines around it. Those are sanctuaries. We don't enter that. The manatees need those sanctuaries to stay nice and warm, but we're going to go on the outside edges. We're going to go in the swim areas of the sanctuaries, and what we're going to do is sit there, and the manatees will come out because they're curious and visit us and check us out. Then they'll go back in. We never know exactly what it is, but they are coming here to Crystal River from as far away as up along the panhandle of Florida in that area, and they just kind of walk along or swim along the Gulf Coast. Sometimes they walk on their flippers when they're eating, and they come in and they come to the warm water to visit us here in Crystal River.